Okay. There we go. As you can see here, I have adapted this diagram to be custom to my vehicle. There we go. And you see, sometimes in life, kids, you get the wrong hose. Because as you can see here, this is just a regular hose. But as you can see here, this side is larger than this side. This is a custom hose. So, that's why it's so tight on there. We're going to put this one back on because it looks completely fine to me. And what do you know? A perfect fit. Alright, we're about ready to hook back up these charcoal evap canisters. These are for smog emissions, and what these are for is for circulating, or actually filtering, fuel vapors from your fuel tank, recycling it, and using this purge solenoid to actually pull it back in through the engine. Pretty cool, but kind of sucks because Dodge made this engineering flaw by putting this thing on the frame with no protective cover on it, and rocks and all kinds of crap hit this thing. So, yeah. Ta-da! Improvement in the engineering. Should have been an engineer. Shoulda. Too stupid. There you have it. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know if these are bad, but when I shake it, I can hear that. There's charcoal in it, and when you fill your tank up too full, like if you top it off, which is illegal in some states actually, the fill over or the extra overflow can go into your charcoal canisters. That has to do with your emissions and actually can cause rough idle and all kinds of stuff, because the charcoal actually captures the fuel vapors, and if they go back into your engine too rich, something's up. Or this thing, it almost acts like it's not filtering enough. Always the worst part of doing your own work. Clean up. Oh.